Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited to share something that could completely change the way you approach travel blogging and affiliate marketing. If you've ever thought about creating your own travel website but felt overwhelmed by all the technical work, coding, design, content creation, this video is for you. I've discovered a tool called AITravelBlog, and let me tell you, it's an absolute game changer. Now, we all know the travel industry is huge and continues to grow every year. More people than ever are planning their vacations online, booking hotels, flights, car rentals, and even activities through travel websites. In fact, the travel industry is a multi-billion-dollar business. But what if you could tap into this market, even if you have no technical skills or experience running a website? That's where AITravelBlog comes in. This platform is the first of its kind, an all-in-one automated travel affiliate website builder that uses artificial intelligence to help you create a fully functional travel website in less than 60 seconds. Yes, you heard that right. In under a minute, you can have a fully optimized travel blog that includes features like hotel searches, flight bookings, top destinations, and car parking search modules, all set up for you without lifting a finger. I know this might sound too good to be true, but trust me, I've taken a deep dive into the platform and it really works. You start by logging into the cloud-based app and simply entering your site name. That's it. Then watch as the AI automatically creates a professional-looking website with all the essential features already in place. No technical knowledge required. You don't need to know how to code, and you definitely don't need to be a design expert. What's even better is that the website you get isn't just a simple template, it's fully automated. The site is integrated with a massive database that includes over 700,000 hotels, 4,000 airlines, 40,000 popular travel destinations, and 100,000 car rentals. All of this content is automatically populated onto your site, so you don't have to manually upload it yourself. Plus, the site is self-updating in real time, meaning all the information stays fresh without you having to do anything. It's all about working smarter, not harder. Now, let's talk about monetization. With AITravelBlog, you can start earning right away. The platform is built to help you generate income from multiple sources, like affiliate commissions from hotel bookings and flight searches, Amazon product sales, Google AdSense, banner ads, and more. They've even integrated an Amazon travel store directly into your site, which means you can offer over 12 million travel-related products to your visitors, all embedded with your Amazon affiliate link. As your visitors browse and buy travel gear, luggage, or anything else, you earn a commission. How cool is that? But it doesn't stop there. One of the most impressive features of AITravelBlog is its ability to generate blog content automatically. That's right, no more spending hours writing articles or worrying about SEO. The AI-powered platform takes care of that for you by creating SEO-optimized blog posts and publishing them on your site daily. All you have to do is input a few keywords like best places to visit in Paris, and the AI will generate fresh, engaging travel content for your site. More content means more chances to rank on Google and more organic traffic. This means you're not just building a site, you're creating a passive income machine that works for you, even while you sleep. The best part? You get all of this without having to pay for hosting or a domain. AITravelBlog includes free premium hosting and a domain, which is a huge plus because hosting costs can add up quickly when you're running a website. This feature alone can save you hundreds of dollars every year. Now, I know you might be wondering if you need any experience to get started. The answer is no. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone with a little experience, AITravelBlog is designed to be super user-friendly. The platform does all the heavy lifting for you. You don't have to worry about spending days or weeks figuring out how to set up your site or create content. Just follow a few simple steps, and you're good to go. I really think this tool is going to be a game changer for anyone who wants to get into the travel affiliate marketing space but doesn't know where to start. It's a great opportunity to tap into a growing industry without the usual stress and technical barriers. And right now, you can grab it for a low one-time price. Seriously, It's like the cost of a nice dinner out. The deal even includes 30 reseller licenses, so you can start your own travel affiliate business on the side and generate even more revenue. So, if you're looking for an easy and automated way to build a travel affiliate website, AITravelBlog is definitely something you should check out. I've left the link in the description below if you want to give it a try. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.